me share my screen. Right, okay. So these are the extra components, guys. Sir, what is our part here means we have to simply install if they need. Again, I told you, right? So they will mention in the build sheet if they need any of these components. Okay, so sometimes as a DBA, they will ask you, you should know these things and all, but that is only 1%. In 90, in 100 jobs, 1 to 2 DBAs, 1 to 2 companies will ask you, you should have knowledge in the reporting. You should have, if of course you are going to upload the resume in Naukri, right? So when you upload the resume in Naukri, okay, so they will ask you, do you have knowledge on SSIS? Do you have knowledge on SSAS? Do you have knowledge on SSRS? Okay, SSIS means this is
Yes,
SSAS,
server
guys.
integrated service.
Yes, okay. SQL Server Analysis Services. This is SSRS. SQL Server Reporting Services. This is SSIS, guys. SQL Server Integration Services. They will ask you, do you have any knowledge on these components? Tell them directly. Okay, so as a DBA, we are going to install and we are going to configure these components. So we don't work on these components. Tell them. Okay, so hardly in 100 companies, 1 2 companies will ask you knowledge on these guys, but you cannot learn these things at this stage. Why? Because BA itself will take 3 to 4 months to complete the course if you got a good trainer. Okay, so of course if you are trying as a business analyst and all, then you have to learn these courses. For DBA, these things and all not needed. So I'll show you how to install those components, but we don't usually work with these components, guys. Okay, so is it clear? Any issues, any doubts, guys, in the component section?
So, sir, as you said that it's a next level. Uh,
Not next level, sir. Okay, it will be like features, extra features, add-ons. Okay, so next
no,
level is
to
different.
understand, to just
Sorry.
for the after the completion of this course, we can go for the next level course. This particular business
That's what
intelligence.
I'm saying. Okay, it's not next level, it's add-ons. It's add-on features. Next level is different. As a DBA, if you want to go for next level, go to Azure SQL DBA.
Azure
That is
SQL.
next level. That is next level. Azure SQL DBA is next level. Okay, so it's not next level. It's completely going to deviate your line from DBA to developer. You will move. Okay, so that is not at all next level. It's just an add-on features. If you want to get knowledge on this, you can learn it. If your job demands you should have knowledge on this, simply sometimes they are going to train you. Once you got the job as a DBA, they will train you. They don't train all the components. Whatever regular tasks are coming on these things, they will train you on the regular tasks and all. This is not next level. This is completely different level, and it's a BA kind of stuff. If you want to try as a business analyst and all, then you can learn these things. Okay. Any questions? Any more questions, guys? Are we good? Is it fine, guys? Can I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys. So we'll start demo from tomorrow onwards, but we'll explain some setup, guys, how the setup will be in the organization. Okay, how it will work. Everything we'll discuss. Okay. So next is what will be the next topic, guys? Installing the SQL Server will be the next topic. Okay, chalo, let's go for a flow. How we are going to get the tickets? Who will say, hey, please install SQL Server? Okay, what to do once they ask us to install the SQL Server? So let me explain the flow, guys. So I want to install SQL Server 2017. On what Windows servers I can install the SQL Server 2017, guys? Tell me one Windows version. Windows 2012. Let's go with Windows 2012. Okay.
Understood.
So if I want to install, I got a requirement, someone raised a ticket. So let me tell you what is this ticket and all, ticketing system and all. Okay. So in the organization, no one comes to you and no one asks you to, hey, please install SQL Server, please take the backups. No one will send, I mean, they will send an email, but no one comes to you and no one asks you. Okay. right? So what is the system, sir? How we'll get the tickets in that case? So there is a system called ticketing system. Okay, ticketing system. For example, your internet is not working till now it was working fine, but now it was stopped working. What you will do? You will just try from your side, you will stop the router, you will again turn on the router, you will check whether power is there or not. Whatever basic troubleshooting you are going to do, you will do that. Still you are not getting internet. What you are going to do, guys, next? What you are going to do? You are not getting internet. What you are going to do? What this
Call the
Of course, you are going to call the ISP, right? What is meant by ISP?
internet service provider.
Internet
Protocol.
service
Internet
Internet
provider.
service
service
protocol.
provider means if you are using Airtel, Airtel is your ISP.
Internet
If you are
service
using
provider.
the what is that, Hathway is your ISP. Internet service providers. Okay, you will do basic troubleshooting. Still, internet is not coming. You will call to the ISP. Okay, your Airtel or Hathway or whatever it might be, BSNL. You are going to call to this internet service provider. Or else by using app, you will have an app. You will raise a complaint that I am not getting internet. So once you raise a complaint, what you will get, guys? Once you raise a
They
complaint,
resolve
either in
our
the
query as per
correct.
priority.
Okay. So they will give you one ticket number. Agree? This is your request number. Okay, ticket number or request number. This request number, they are going to use it for tracking purpose. For example, Harmendra is not getting internet. Harmendra called to Airtel. Hey, I'm not getting the internet. Every month I am paying 1200 rupees, but you are not giving the internet to me. So I was totally upset with your services. So what they will do, that customer representatives, okay, sir, please don't worry. Okay, they will have their predefined text will be there. They will read the text. Okay, I'm sorry, apologies for the same, like that. And they are going to give you a number. Okay, so for example, the number will be SRC. Imagine SRC. Sir, I just raised a complaint, sir. This is your ticket number. Okay, so please make sure we'll use this ticket number for future. Okay, purpose and all. Means Harminder
Tracking
raised a
system.
ticket. Yes, correct,
Track us.
correct. Tracking purpose, right? Okay, so Harminder raised a ticket. So what happened, that customer agent, okay, she will raise a complaint. Once she raised a complaint, so there is a ticket created on behalf of Harminder. So what is the issue, guys? Internet is not working. This is the issue, right? So until the issue is going to be fixed, they are going to work with this ticket, guys, until Harminder is going to get the internet. So they will track this ticket. What is the status? Which technician is working on this ticket? They don't call, okay, Harminder internet is not working, like that. They don't discuss, right? So they will ask you, hey, what is the status of 5498 ticket? Okay, so they are going to track your issue with the help of your ticket, your issue or your requirement, or else simply why we have to go for internet is not working. You want to go for a new internet connection. Then also you will get one ID, right? Request ID, you will get one request ID. Okay, so that also like same kind of thing. So what is the status of this new request ID? So which technician is working on this? Okay, which technician is working on this? How many days it will take to get the internet? Okay, everything will be tracked using this ID, guys. Everything will be tracked using this ID. In the same way, we will have ticketing system in the organization. So there are ticketing, different ticketing tools are there. We can call it as a ticketing tools. Can anyone tell me, guys, any ticketing tools you know?
Lotus
Very good. Lotus
map.
Notes. Lotus Notes
Then
is an excellent ticketing tool. Service Now.
service now.
Snow, we'll call it as a Snow. Okay,
Snow.
Snow. Jira. Okay, Jira. BMC Remedy. These are the different ticketing tools, guys. Okay, HPSM, correct, Sudhindra. HPSM. Okay, these are the ticketing tools. Mostly people will use
Sir,
ServiceNow, guys. Okay, they will ask you in the interview which ticketing tool you are using
there
in your company. Yes, yes, please. Any questions, guys?
there will also one ticketing tool.
I can't hear you properly, sir.
Sir, chair will also one of
Zero. Can you type it? Can you type it? I can't hear your voice properly, so that is an issue. Zerwell something you are saying. Okay. So ServiceNow is the most used ticketing tool, guys. They will ask in the interview which ticketing tool you are using. Means the software which is used to raise the requests, raise the complaints and all. That software you can call it as a ticketing tool. Okay, there are different ticketing tools. Lotus Notes is one ticketing tool. ServiceNow, Jira. These two are very famous. Okay, either you can see ServiceNow or Jira. Sometimes both ticketing tools will be there in a same company, guys. Okay, ServiceNow and Jira both are famous. You can say any ticketing tool name. Okay, we are using ServiceNow. They will definitely ask this question: which ticketing tool you are using? Okay, so we are using ServiceNow or we are using Jira. Okay, so like that you can answer, guys. BMC Remedy not so famous. HPSM is also same kind of thing. Mostly people will use. So if anyone wants a SQL server, first they will raise a request in the ticketing tool in the ServiceNow. They will raise a request, guys. Sharewell, okay, also. Okay, Prasad, thank you. First time I'm hearing this word, Sharewell. Okay, done. Okay, right. So what they will do when customer comes to you and there is a need he want to install, he just wants SQL Server 2017 for his requirement. So what he will do, he will go to ServiceNow, Snow. S means service, okay. S means service and NOW, ServiceNow. He will go to ServiceNow and he will raise a request. That request item will be like this with number like this it will be. Okay, the description of this request will be install SQL Server 2017. Of course, if anyone comes to you, hey, can you please install SQL Server 2017? What is your next question, guys?
Provide ticket.
Very good. First of all, you have to ask, guys, any work, first of all, you have to ask the ticket. Correct. You have to ask the ticket, hey, please raise a request. Okay, just ask them politely. Definitely we'll work on your request. Can you please raise a request for, can you please raise a ticket for the same? They will raise a ticket. Then next, what will happen next? If I want to install, what should be the prerequisites? A SQL server. If I want to install a SQL server, what should be the prerequisites, guys? Where I can install this SQL server?
OS.
Correct.
On
Very good.
Windows.
Very good. On
Yes.
OS. Super.
Windows.
Okay. An operating system I can install. So I should have operating system. Okay. So if I should have operating system means what I should have, guys? Where I can install operating system?
Sure.
Windows
On server,
20.
Windows
right?
Server.
On
On
server.
Windows
Very
Server.
good. Windows server. Very good. Of course, if you install Windows, it will become Windows server. So I should have Windows server or server. Okay. Without server, I cannot install, right? But are we going to take care of all these things? We are SQL DBAs. Agree? We are SQL DBAs. Of course, which version you will ask, that's fine. We are SQL DBAs. Are we going to install operating system on Windows Server? Is it our responsibility? No.
No, it's
There is separate team.
Correct. Very
backup
good.
team,
There
admin
is
team.
separate teams will be there in the organization. Let me tell you what and all teams will be there. VM team or Windows team. Okay. Sometimes VM and Windows team both are same only. Next is database team, or before that, let me go with the network team. Okay, DBA team or database team. Next, backup team.
Backup team.
Next,
Application.
yeah, very good. Application team, super. Application team. So like this, different teams will be there, guys. So if I want to
Linux.
install, yeah, if I want to install SQL Server 2017, I should have machine ready, but there is no machine ready. So what I'll do? Hey, please route this ticket to the Windows team first. Windows team, what they are going to do, guys? Or in this ticket, there are some sub tickets. SC task, we'll call it as a SC task or C tasks. C task. Let's go with the C task. Means Windows team will get one C task. Once they completed their C task ticket, imagine, just for example, I'm giving this number. Don't ask me what is this number, sir. It's just a number, tracking number kind of thing. Okay. Um, right. So first one C task will be there. On behalf of this request, this C task will goes to Windows team. Okay. And they are going to create Control X, Windows team, Control V. Guys, there are two types of machines are there. One is, can anyone tell me? Machine means what, first of all? Machine or server or box, anything is same, guys. Means your Windows server. Okay, right. So there are two types of machines. One is
Virtual machine, physical machine.
correct.
Physical
Physical
machine and
machine,
virtual machine.
PM or BM. Okay, physical machine or what is meant by BM, guys? Can anyone tell me? I'll give you 2 reward points if you tell me.
Something.
Bare metal.
Bare
Very
metal.
good. Who said? Who said
Bare
first?
metal.
Who said first? Who said? Tell me, guys. Who said?
Bare metal, sir. I don't
Bare
know who
metal.
is at first.
You can hear me, right, guys? Those who
Yes,
said
yes,
first, let
yes.
me know. You don't want reward points? Okay. Who said second?
Me,
Me means
Jayesh.
I raised my
Jayesh.
hand.
Sorry.
Prasad, I think, shared hand.
Okay. Okay.
Raise hand.
Okay. Okay. That's fine. Okay. Prasad 2 points. Jayesh 2 points. Okay. So BM means bare metal. Bare metal or physical machine, both are same. Sometimes you can see this kind of terminology in the organization, guys. So there are two types of servers: physical machine, virtual machine, guys. Okay, physical machine or bare metal and virtual machine. There are two types of servers. Earlier, you know what is the size of the computer? Earlier, 20 years back or 30 years back. It's a very big computer, guys. Very, very, very big computer. Okay. A
One
building
building.
30,
One
35
building.
years back. Yeah, one building kind of thing. What it will do, that building, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. That's what it is going to do, guys. Earlier, that big building is going to do additions and subtractions and multiplications. Earlier, when who invented computer, guys? Don't ask me those kind
Less
of
bulb.
questions.
Babbage, Charles Babbage.
Charles Babbage, sir.
Charles Babbage.
If anyone remember, that is like Charles Babbage. So when they invented the computer, it's very huge, guys, very huge. It's a kind of big building kind of thing. And this big building is going to do additions and subtractions and multiplications, guys. Later it was changed and it was there in your pocket or in hands, guys. Okay. So like physical machine means, the meaning of physical machine means you can see with your eyes, you can touch it, you can feel it. That is called physical machine. Means your laptop, you can see your laptop, right? You can touch your laptop, right? You can feel your laptop, right? That is called physical machine. Physically it will be existed, guys. Physical machine means physically it will be existed. What is meant by virtual machine? What is the meaning of virtual? Virtual assistant, right? You know the meaning of virtual assistant,
We cannot touch.
right? Siri in the iPhone, can you touch Siri? She won't leave you.
No.
Okay, right? Can you touch Google Assistant? Simply when you ask, it will respond. That's it. It's just voice assistant, virtual assistant. Okay, so these people won't exist, but they will fulfill your requirements. Won't exist means physically they won't exist. Won't exist means they will exist, but physically you cannot see Siri. Okay, so these are all called virtual people or virtual assistant. Okay, in the same way we have physical machine, virtual machines, guys. Physical machines means you can feel, you can see, you can touch it, your laptops and all, your phones and all. Based on the physical machines we can create virtual machines, guys. If you see here, I just created lot of virtual machines. Okay, lot of virtual machines using, guys, virtual machines means don't think if I want to create any machine, what I should have, guys?
Only one
Basically
physical Memory. machine.
very basic things. What I should have? Memory. Very good, excellent. I should have memory,
Or
then memory
RAM.
or RAM. Okay,
RAM.
Storage space.
storage, excellent.
Hard
I should have
disk.
storage or ROM. Next, CPU. Of course, without CPU, how can you
CPU.
create a machine? Okay, central processing unit. This is processor. So these three are very main components. Then of course you should have screen or desktop. Okay, right? The remaining components are very common: keyboard, mouse. Okay, so these are very common, guys. So virtual machine means by using these physical resources, you can create multiple virtual machines. Means, see here, guys, if you see here, in my laptop, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 laptops are there. In a physical laptop, that I'm using, that I'm carrying, in this laptop, I have 10 virtual machines are there. These are all 10 virtual laptops. These are all 10 virtual laptops. These laptops, you can see it, you can feel it, but you cannot touch it. Okay, just 1 minute, guys. I'm getting one call. Just 1 minute. Hello. Right. Okay. So how do we identify? No, I'll tell you, Sudhendra. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. How do we identify whether it's a physical machine or virtual machine? We'll discuss. Right. So I can see this machine. I can start this machine. I can stop this machine. I can feel this machine, but I cannot touch this machine, guys. But these machines are going to utilize my laptop RAM. These machines are going to utilize my laptop CPU. These machines are going to utilize my laptop storage. Okay, by using the existing physical resources, I can create virtual machines. That is called, means in one machine, in one physical laptop. See, guys, I just created 10 laptops. How much earlier one computer itself were a very big building. Now in one computer you can store hundreds of computers. You can create hundreds of servers. Agree? Depends upon the capacity. If I started all the machines, guys, my laptop won't work. Why? Because I cannot start all the machines. All machines are trying to utilize my RAM. All machines are trying to utilize my CPU. So 10 people are attacking on a single CPU, which is very difficult to manage the workload and all. Simply your laptop will be hanged. Okay, guys. So there are two types of machines. One is physical machine that you can see, you can feel, you can touch it. Next one is virtual machines. Earlier, okay, when there is no virtual machines, all are physical machines only. If you see your engineering college labs, right? If you go to write any examination, you will go to any examination center, you can see lot of machines. Your engineering college labs, lot of physical machines. Correct, guys? Right? Those are all physical machines. Earlier in the organization, there is a separate, they are going to maintain separate building for maintaining the servers. I don't know how many of you remember. If you go to any company, there is a separate room or there is a separate floor. In that separate floor, they are going to maintain all the servers, guys. Now, when they invented virtual machines, okay, now they are going to save a lot of space, guys. Means these virtual machines don't need any space. They will exist in a physical machine. So you will create a very big machine. In that machine you will create a multiple VMs, virtual machines. That is also one computer only, guys. Virtual machine is also one computer only, but the only difference is you cannot touch it. Remaining things, everything you can do. You can start the machine, you can stop the machine. Yes, you can start it, you can stop it. Okay, you can work with it like how you are working with your laptop, you can work with it, but they will exist virtually. They don't need any space. So there will be a very big server. In that server, these servers will be created virtually, guys. So now, if you see, if office is there in one floor and another floor there is a separate servers will be there. Now they just okay shrinked all this setup. Why? Because no need of physical servers now. All servers will exist virtually. So now they are not maintaining any separate buildings for data centers, any separate floors and all. In a same office, they are taking one room. In that separate room, they are maintaining all the servers, guys. But again, virtually means don't think they will take the RAM from the clouds or from the air. They will take the ROM from the air. They will take the processor from the air. No, by existing resources, physical resources, they are going to work by using the existing physical resources, guys. Is it clear what is a virtual machine? Any doubts, guys? Any doubts? So nowadays no one is using physical machines, guys. They will ask you how many of you are physical machines, how many of you are logical machines. Okay, 10 percentage are physical machines, remaining 90 percentage would be virtual machines only. Okay, 90 percentage machines will be virtual machines only. They will exist but don't know where they are going to be existed. You can simply connect to the server, you can work as per your requirement, you can work with it and you can log off from the server, guys. And that is called virtual machines. Any issue, any doubts, let me know. Guys, is it clear? Any doubts here, please let me know.
Sir, is there our responsibility to create virtual machine?
No, Windows team is going to take care of it.
Okay, sir.
We don't create any virtual machines. That's what we said. There is a team called VM team or Windows team. VM team is going to take care of it. They will create the machines. Okay, that's what I said. So whenever anyone is asking a SQL Server installation, first one ticket will goes to VM team. Okay, first it will goes to VM team. They will create a virtual machine and they will install Windows operating system in that. Then it will goes to a network team. They are going to do all the network related settings and all, opening the ports and all. Next, finally it will comes to us, database team, and database team will check whether everything is installed properly or not. Then they are going to install the SQL server. Of course, backup team, this is optional, guys. Just want to tell you, backup team will be there. Application team is responsible. Application team is going to use the server, guys. Whatever server we are building, this server will be used by the application team. Okay, these many teams will be there. Is our physical storage related to how many virtual servers we are installing? Correct, Chandrasekhar. Okay, correct. So for example, I just gave you a 100 rupees, then I asked you, hey Chandrasekhar, please share this 100 rupees to 5 people. What is each share then?
20.
20 rupees. Each one will get 20 rupees, right? So 100 rupees you are sharing to 5 people means each one will get in the same way storage also. Okay, so of course you have to provide physical storage. Okay, so based on your requirement, you are going to share the storage to the VMs. Okay, this is how it will work. So if you ask me how many virtual machines I can create, so if you simply ask me, hey Chandra, I'm going to give you 100 rupees. Tell me how many people you can give this 100 rupees. To how many people you can share this 100 rupees. So it depends. If you are giving to 5 people, it will be 20 rupees per each person. If you are giving 10 rupees, you can share to 10 people. If you are giving 5 rupees, you can share to 20 people. If you are giving 1 rupee to each person, you can give that 100 rupees to 100 people. Okay, so that depends how you are sharing, right? In the same way, sir, how many virtual machines we can create? If you ask me, it depends upon your RAM, how much RAM you are giving. Imagine you have 12 GB RAM. If you are giving 1 GB RAM to each machine, you can create 12 VMs. If you are giving 2 GB RAM for each machines, you can create 6 VMs. If you are giving 3 GB machines RAM for each machines, you can create 4 machines. Depends how much capacity you are giving to each machine. Okay, is it clear, Chandrasekhar? Do we get admin rights on Windows or VMs to perform? Yes, exactly, Sudhendra. We will be the local admins in the Windows servers. We should be the local admins. Then only we can do all the things. Otherwise, as a DBA, we cannot do. We have to copy the things. We have to write lot of things in the server. So we should be the DBA administrators in the Windows servers. Yes, we'll get admin rights in each Windows server. Okay, guys. Any questions? Is it clear? Is it clear? Difference between VM and PM and BM.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, guys, everyone, is it clear? If it is clear, then that's it for today. Tomorrow we'll meet at 7 a.m. Okay, guys, again, still people are not, two people haven't filled this form. I can see 25 only. 28 people means 27 people are there in this session. Two people are not yet filled. I don't know whether you are not interested to fill. Please fill it, guys. And today is the last demo class. Those who joined on 21st. Okay. So if you want to continue, you have to ping me by EOD today. Okay. Of course, I have all your contacts. So it's very difficult to me to track all 25 people, guys. So just ping me once you are decided. That's okay, right? I'm explaining like whatever you're guessing, like whatever you're expecting. I'm explaining everything like as per your expectations. And as discussed, of course, we all discussed it right in the calls and all. And I guess a lot of people, you people didn't call me like Harminder and Gajanan. Okay, so I'm not sure whether how you got these links. Maunika, I don't have like you didn't contacted me, right? So please send a message to me in the WhatsApp, guys. Okay, then we'll discuss. Then who will confirm today? Okay, they have to join from tomorrow class onwards. Okay, guys, are we good?
Yes.
Okay, done. Okay, done. Okay, classes will be uploaded to YouTube, guys. Okay, might be by afternoon it will be uploaded. And again, all classes won't be uploaded. Only few classes will be uploaded. Main topics. Okay, I'll share it to your email IDs as well. Okay, thank you so much, guys. We'll meet tomorrow at 7 a.m. And again, please ping me to my WhatsApp number. I guess. Okay, let just wait. Let me ping you my WhatsApp number. Most of you don't have, right? So it's like 9902590140, guys. Okay. 9902590140. Please ping me to my WhatsApp number. Then we'll discuss about remaining part. Then you can continue from tomorrow onwards. Okay, guys. 9902590140. Let me ping you in the chat as well. Okay, Kiran. No problem. And guys, that's okay. Okay, just pinged you in the chat. Guys, please save my number and ping me in the WhatsApp. Okay, we'll discuss further. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. We'll meet tomorrow at 7 a.m.